Hi mates, welcome back. Do you have a problem with Windows 10? Does it go into hibernation when you shut it down? If it does, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. And you don't have to worry about it, it's not complicated, just it will take something like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Just trust me, it's gonna be a very quick tutorial. And let's jump in. First, open the Windows searcher here and search for control panel. Here it is. Make sure your icons is check on these large icons, because as you can see it's a little bit annoyed when there are small icons. So just click on power options here and go and choose what the power buttons do. So from here we have, actually I have two buttons, but usually you're gonna have only, you have only one button here, this button. When I press the button, the power button, and make it select this shutdown, so click on save changes and that's it. So it's fixed. That was it. If you're finding this video helpful, and if it works, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.